Deep within the structural design of the avian world, the woodpecker operates with a mechanical shock absorption system that outperforms any human safety helmet. This bird can strike a tree trunk at 20 miles per hour, repeating the action thousands of times a day without injury. The machine facts of the woodpecker's skull reveal a specialized material called spongy bone. This porous, mesh-like tissue is concentrated at the front and back of the head. It acts like a high-grade crump zone in a car, absorbing the kinetic energy of every impact. This engineering solution is supported by the hyoid bone, a long, flexible structure that wraps completely around the bird's brain. It functions like a biological seatbelt, tethering the brain in place and distributing the force of the blow across the entire skull. To prevent the beak from shattering, the upper and lower mandibles are made of different lengths and materials. This dual-layer design allows the vibration to travel through the bone at different speeds, canceling out the shock waves before they can reach the nervous system. Psychological facts show that this bird is a master of focus. When it begins to drum, it enters a state of high-precision automation. It can pinpoint the exact location of a hollow cavity or a hidden insect, using only the acoustic feedback from its own rhythmic strikes. Humans must treat and care for the standing deadwood in our forests. These snags are the primary workstations for these feathered engineers. Stewardship of the forest means leaving old trees in place, as they are the essential hardware for the woodpecker's survival. The history of the woodpecker is a record of specialized tools. Their tail feathers are reinforced with stiff shafts, acting like a built-in tripod. This allows the bird to brace itself against a vertical trunk, providing the stable platform needed for high-power drilling. Nature facts reveal that their tongue is a high-tech retrieval tool. It is often 4 times the length of the beak and coated in a sticky bioadhesive. In some species, the tip is barbed like a harpoon, allowing the bird to extract insects from the deepest wind channels. Caring for the woodpecker is a form of forest maintenance. By creating holes in trees, they provide housing for dozens of other species, such as owls and squirrels, who cannot drill their own. They're the primary contractors of the woodland real estate market. The machine facts of their eyes include a reinforced nictitating membrane. This third eyelid closes a millisecond before each strike, acting like safety goggles. It prevents the eyes from popping out due to the pressure and keeps flying wood chips from causing damage. Microscopic view of a woodpecker's eye showing the protective nictitating membrane. Engineering comparisons often liken the woodpecker to a jackhammer. However, the bird is far more efficient. It uses a slight twisting motion of the beak with every strike to split the wood fibers, a technique that requires less force than a straight, blunt impact. Every hollow sound in the forest is a lesson in the power of resilience. We often fear impact, but the woodpecker proves that with the right internal structure, you can handle immense pressure. It is a reminder that strength is found in how you manage the force of life. Every tree is a laboratory of acoustic engineering. By respecting the rhythmic work of these bird machines, we recognize the labor involved in forest health. It is a partnership between the wood, the insect, and the avian drill that keeps the ecosystem in balance. Let the woodpecker remind you of the value of persistence. It does not break through the bark with one giant blow, but with thousands of small, calculated strikes. In your own life, steady and focused effort is the most reliable way to reach the core of any challenge. Take care of the winged hardware of our world. As we look toward the conservation goals of 2026, protecting the habitats of these structural engineers is a top priority. Respect the old trees and protect the woods, so the rhythm of the forest may never go silent.